In today's video, we're going to explore how ChatGPT can help you create a comprehensive course. Whether you're an educator, a content creator, or just someone with a passion for sharing knowledge, this video will guide you through the steps of using ChatGPT to streamline your course creation process. Let's dive in. The first step in creating a course is planning. Start by asking ChatGPT for ideas related to your course topic. For example, if you're creating a course on digital marketing, you might ask ChatGPT to suggest essential topics to cover. So, here's a prompt you could use. Let's say, can you suggest essential topics to cover in a digital marketing course? Then, let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT would generate for us. Wow, look at that! ChatGPT has provided a comprehensive list of topics like analytics, affiliate marketing, mobile marketing, etc. Look at that. You can refine this list based on your expertise and audience's needs. Next, let's create a detailed course outline. Ask ChatGPT to create an outline for one of the topics. For instance, let's take one of the main topics right here. So for me, I want to explore deeper with, let's say, search engine optimization right here. Let's see, let's click reply here. And let's see how ChatGPT structures it. Then I'll ask, can you create a detailed course outline for SEO in a digital marketing course? After that, hit enter again and let ChatGPT process with the results. So, as you can see, ChatGPT has broken down SEO into manageable subtopics, right here just listed down below. This outline can serve as the backbone of your course. Let's dive a bit deeper into these subtopics later on. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. With your outline ready, it's time to develop the course content. Ask ChatGPT to write a script for one of the subtopics. For example, let's generate a script for one of the modules right here. For example, content marketing right here. So here's a prompt you could use. Here's what I put together right here. Can you create a detailed script for a lesson on content marketing for an SEO course? To be more specific, for ChatGPT to understand, you can just use this option for the reply on the text you selected. Here we go. Then hit enter. So as you can see, this script can be used as a basis for your video lectures or written materials. So here's what ChatGPT had processed overall with the results. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided an introduction, a step-by-step, and also a conclusion right here. This level of detail ensures your content is both informative and engaging. Here we go. Let's see the rest of the results right here. There we go. There we go. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to create handouts or supplementary materials. For example, ask it to generate a checklist for content marketing. So let's say, can you create a checklist for content marketing steps for an SEO course? Here we go. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond based on what I input right here. And here we go. Now we have a handy checklist that students can use as a reference while conducting their own content marketing. This includes steps There we go. Additional resources, ongoing content improvement, advanced content marketing techniques, so on and so forth. By using ChatGPT to develop scripts, presentations, and handouts, you can create comprehensive and engaging course content efficiently. Let's see the rest right here. Very intricate right here, so detailed, based on what ChatGPT had generated. And here we go. Interactive elements like quizzes and assignments are crucial for keeping your students engaged. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to generate quiz questions for the content marketing module. Here's a prompt you could use. So here's the one I put together. For instance, can you create 10 multiple choice quiz questions for a lesson on content marketing in an SEO course? Here we go. Now, let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT would do the magic itself. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT has come up with some great questions. Though you can ask ChatGPT to provide explanations for each answer choice to enhance understanding. So here we go. Here's another prompt. Let's say, can you provide explanations for the answers to the multiple choice questions on content marketing? Then let's hit send once again. And now each question comes with a detailed explanation, which helps students understand why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. This can be incredibly beneficial for reinforcing learning. Next, let's create some open-ended questions or assignments that encourage deeper thinking. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an assignment prompt like this. Can you create an open-ended assignment for the students to apply content marketing techniques in a practical scenario? Let's see how it goes with the results from ChatGPT. So here we go. ChatGPT suggests an assignment where students choose a topic of their interest, perform content marketing using tool, and present their findings in a report. This kind of practical assignment can help students apply what they've learned in a real-world content. By using ChatGPT to generate quiz questions, assignments, anything, you can create interactive and comprehensive course materials that enhance the learning experience for your students. Here we go right here. And there. Finally, it's time to organize and finalize your course. Ask ChatGPT right here to review our course outline and suggest any improvements or missing elements. Here's a prompt you can use, for example, right here. Can you review this course outline for an SEO module? Overall, yeah, there we go. So, by using ChatGPT to review your outline, you can finalize your course with confidence. This ensures that your course is well organized, thorough, and ready to provide a valuable learning experience. And there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can efficiently plan, develop, and finalize your course content. Thanks for watching, everyone.